Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on language subscriptions with Babbel step by step clearly. To save on language subscriptions with Babbel, begin by visiting the Babbel website. Create a new account or log into your existing account. Explore the different subscription plans available. Take note of any promotional offers displayed on the homepage. Consider subscribing during a holiday or special event when discounts are common. Select your preferred language and take advantage of the free trial, if available. During the trial, assess your learning style and course preferences. If you find Babbel beneficial, look for annual subscription options. Annual subscriptions usually offer significant savings compared to monthly plans. Before purchasing, search for discount codes online for potential savings. Check if Babbel offers student or military discounts. Share an account with a family member or friend to split the cost. Regularly check your email for any promotional offers from Babbel. After subscription, follow the learning path that suits your pace. Engage with the community forums for additional tips and resources. Utilize the app on the go to maximize your learning experience. Stay motivated by setting personal language goals and tracking your progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.